students get distracted with the smartphone, they start scrolling, but I think it's just a lack of self control, it's just a lack of self control and self confidence. It's your brain that get distracted. I think smartphone is very useful, and the things you are debating on, that like cyber crime, waste of time, reels scrolling, and the moreover things, it's just because of your lack of self control. You have to control on that topic, and you have to use it in a good way, in a good manner. And the things you told, that a little kid are using smartphones, so as we all know, they are kids, they don't know how to use anything, what to do with this. These all are about because of their parents, their elders, their guardian, who are teaching them, who are helping them in using those smartphones. So this is the lack of their parenting, this is the lack of their care. It's not the disadvantage of smartphone, that's all.
Yeah, but everyone not have the same level of patience. Everyone are different, and they can lack self-control. And it's designed such an algorithm that it's require a very hard level of patience, which don't have everyone. If they are seeing someone are using, and if they start using those, they are not aware that they are using in excessive manner. So I think it's designed in such a way.
Okay, so debating on this topic, I think that it's of course someone do business, someone does business because of their profit. They want to achieve profit, they want to achieve money. Everyone want to achieve money, I want to achieve money, you want to achieve, everyone. But I think you are telling about the algorithm, they have designed a flow chart like that, everyone is being engaged on that, but you have to control yourself. I think the books, the diary are not like you are get attracted. You prepare yourself that I have to use that for my success. I have to do that. I have to achieve that big thing. So there is not anything like you are telling about that algorithm. We are get distracted. It's just your mind. It's just your lack of self control that you are using it. It's like that if you get distracted on scrolling. Akash has also told use app timer, app lock. You set the timer of 15 minutes, 10 minutes and use it like that. Why are you telling that algorithm is like we get distracted to that? Not at all.
But I want to add something here.
Okay, of course.
The people who construct this smartphone apps, etc., they are not aware about how you are going to use it. They are just thinking about their benefit, that how can they earn more and more money. They are not aware about who is using it, what kind of videos are going on this social media. So if someone are sending these offensive kind of videos in this social media, they are not stopping. And if government not taking this kind of step, it can be disaster for an individual who, and in the era of AI, everyone can humiliate someone with the using of it. It's a very big concern in now AI world.
AI and its misuse. So, who doesn't want success and who doesn't want money? Is there anyone who don't like money among you all? Is there anyone who doesn't want money? Yeah, you doesn't want money? You don't need money? Then you can't. What are you doing here? You are preparing for English. I know everyone is preparing for English, like they want to have a world tour. They have to communicate with many people, so they are learning a common language. But there will be a point that you are preparing English for money, for your salary, for your achievements, for your success. But it's like money. Money is very important. So who is not selfish in this era? I am selfish, you are selfish, and who are not selfish is very innocent, and you know what innocent people are doing nowadays. So I am selfish. I know I am selfish, and why not? The companies who are preparing, the manufactured companies who are preparing these smartphones, want their money, yaar. They want their success, they want their achievement. कौन मतलब okay, sorry. Who wants like कि no, I will serve the whole country. Everyone speaks on the school. I have spoken in the school that I want to serve country, I want to serve people, but there is a point I want money. I want success, I want achievement, I want appreciation, I want everything.
But I want to add something.
Okay, something. Okay.
But
Yeah.
you need money, but you can't earn this money by destroying someone's life through using social media.
Okay,
They
so
have their own.
let me debate
Okay.
on this first. Okay, so see that you can't destroy others. They are not destroying us. We are destroying us. If we are using smartphone, this is our fault, not the company's fault. They are manufacturing the smartphone for their achievement, for their success, not for our benefits, not for our disadvantage. They are not doing anything for us. They are doing everything for themselves. If we are misusing phone, it's our fault. It's our lack of self control. It's just us, not the company. बस करें क्या? Okay, continue.
But if someone are constructing something, they should be think both the things, not only the benefit but consequences also. That these possible consequences can be happen in future. So why not control on that? Why you are free to doing anything and everything whatever they want? There should be a regulation in a smartphone or any apps which they are performing. So I think limitation is very important in every app or in every social media, either AI or anything.
Oh, Miss Sabina. I think you have lack of knowledge about this. If you go on the Instagram, there is a security while making the ID. Like you must be 18. You must adult for using that app. For Snapchat, for no, not for Telegram. I don't use much social media, but I have that knowledge that for joining a social media which connects the global world, you must have the age. Also, for when you get the SIM of your phone, you have the age qualification that on this age you will get the chance for that social media, that SIM. But if you are like that, you are not 18 and you are using that I want that phone and I want that SIM with someone other name, it's your fault. It's not company's fault. They have already titled the limited the disadvantages. There are there are cyber security things which we can on which we can complain for the cyber crime and all. So there is not that kind of limitation. There is all that kind of limitation. There are much that.
What's your name?
Kanak Nandini. Okay, Kanak, you can call me Kanak.
Kanak, I want to ask a question.
Okay.
What will you talk about those people who are suffering from mental trauma due to using of excessive smartphone or going or facing something in social media like trolling, etc.? Would you add something in that?
Yes, of course, why not? I think, as I said, it's just a lack of control, not the company's fault. It's just you. I don't use any much social, I don't use Instagram, I don't use Telegram.
But everyone is not like you. They are not much.
So they must be like me. Sorry.
नहीं होगा क्या you can say
Like Justy said that we have a lack of control self, like right, but this is not about it. Like when we go in village, like but this everyone don't have a self control. Everyone don't have that educated that educated parents that they teach us how to control on mobile phones or social media. They are using in a wrong way, right? Like it's also about our society that they don't know, but it's also about the smartphones that it will be available in very consistent way, and it's a really harmful for children. Those children, most of those children who don't know how to handle it, or all of these things, how to handle it, self control, how to handle it, these reels, and how to handle it, how to how to reduce the screen times. So how they will be do these things?
you say they lack education. They can educate with that phone, with that smartphone.
But they are getting distracted of that.
Lack of control.